Selling of digital products is one of the most profitable business ideas out there when it comes to the internet. And the reason is simple. You don't have to invest in a dime in order to make some couple of dollars from it month in, month out. And when I say couple of dollars, we are not talking about cents, but we are talking about a decent amount that can help you clear your monthly bills month in, month out, provided that you watch this video to the very end. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down to you a step-by-step guide, every single information that you basically need on how you can actually start making some couple of thousands of dollars every single month from selling digital products. All you basically need to actually let this work is simply a smartphone that has access to the internet or a laptop. So you basically need either the smartphone or a laptop, either of them, provided that it has access to the internet. You are basically good to go. And the best part of it all is that, well, number one, you are not going to invest a dime, and secondly, you don't have to be a pro in any industry to actually do this. All you need to do is be able to do a little research, and you are basically good to go. So with this already said, without taking much of your time, hello guys, this is your first time on the channel. Kindly help me smash that subscribe button. Also like this video and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. Now with this said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you this step-by-step blueprint on how you can make some couple of thousands of dollars every single month from selling digital products. Now, before we get started to actually how you can make money from selling digital products, let's break down exactly what are digital products and what are some digital products that you can basically sell to actually make money. Now, I want to talk about digital products. This is basically for the internet dummies who don't really know much about it. Digital products are simply items that you can sell online without having to spend any money on printing courses or any other thing. All you basically do is that you create these products online and then you sell them online. No shipping fee, no physical inventory needed. Every single thing is online. And some of these digital products are things like eBooks. These are downloadable books that people can download and learn. And then online courses. If you are a graphic designer or any sort of designer, you can create a design template. Or if you are someone who's good at writing, let me say you are good at making resumes, you can write job resume templates and a lot of this. All you basically need to do is that you create this sort of templates and then people buy them and make money, and then you get paid for it. Basically that's simple. And the best part is that once you create this product, you don't have to create them over and over again, like having a physical product whereby you have to print multiple copies in order to make money. With digital products, all you basically need to do is that you make one copy and then you duplicate that copy, and that is basically all. You don't even duplicate that copy, you place that copy on your store, and then millions of people can buy it. It will never finish. Why? Because it's a digital product. They download it, unlike physical products whereby once you buy it, you move it away. Now this already said, now that you understand what exactly a digital product, now let's move into this section 2 where we talk about choosing the right digital product to actually sell. Because when it comes to actually making money of selling digital product, first of all, you need to pick the right product to sell, because without picking the right product, there's no way you're actually going to make money from it. So let's get into that part. Now that you know what digital products are, now let's talk about picking the right product to sell. Because when it comes to selling digital product, you might know about every industry, you might be able to create one of the best products and all of that, but if you promote that product at the wrong time, there's no way you're going to make sales. That's why it's very important to look at what exactly people need at the moment before you create it. And when it comes to creating the right or picking the right product to sell, it actually boils down to some few points that I'm about sharing with you. Now the first one is that make sure that that particular product you are selling is a problem-solving product. So this could be a how-to guide, maybe food receipt, a how-to guide on how to do something. This could be a job resume template. This could be like basically make sure that whatever thing you are creating solves problem. Now this is the first thing you need to consider whenever you are coming to create a digital product to sell. Don't just create any random product that comes into your mind. First of all, make sure that this thing is actually going to solve someone's problem, so you don't end up creating every random thing out there. Now secondly, if it solves someone's problem, the next thing you consider is basically what are your hobbies. So if you are someone who have hobbies, maybe you have passion for photography, videography and all of that, or graphic designing, now it boils down to you look at within your hobbies, what exactly can you do and sell within it. So let me say if you're a graphic designer, you can create design templates and sell. And then if you're a video editor, you can create some video editing guide or some manual or walkthrough and sell. Basically that. And if you're a cook, you can create food receipt and a lot of that. So now those are the first two things that you have to look into before you start creating digital product. Now for those of you who don't actually have any passion or any particular thing that you know you can create a book about, there's no problem at all. The third point here actually comes to everyone's rescue. Now this third point actually boils down to looking at the platforms where people go and buy this product and see exactly what people are buying at that moment. Now, when it comes to digital products, some of the platforms I'm going to recommend you monitor to actually know what exactly people are buying at the moment, so you also create exactly that sort of thing. Is basically, first of all, is using Google Trends. Now, Google Trends will actually show you what products are trending. All you basically have to do is that type in a particular keyword related to your industry, and then it's going to show you what is actually trending at that moment. So, for example, if I should come over here and type in health. So if you just type in a particular word right now, it's going to look through and show you some of the things that are trending related to that particular industry. So health insurance, health equity, and then lifestyle, my state, NY state of health, health food store. So basically, you have to look through all of these places and look at some of the ones that can actually be converted into a product. So if it's health, let me just say health and fitness, you can create a health and fitness guide if you have an idea. But if you don't have an idea, so there's no problem. In the next chapter, we'll talk about how to create this product. I'm going to give you a secret key on how you can actually create this product without having any idea. So basically, over here, you type in a keyword, and then you basically filter down and see what exactly is actually trending, what are people interested in at this moment related to that industry. Or you can basically come over to discover trend, and then come over here, and then you can come over to business, and then basically it's going to show you some of the things that are trending right now related to that particular industry you tapped into. Now, the next thing you can do is you can use a platform like Etsy. You know, Etsy is one of the best platforms when it comes to selling digital products. Like, if you are going into the industry of selling digital products, Etsy is one of the best platforms. So one of the best ways for you to know what exactly people are buying at the moment when it comes to the digital product industry is using a platform like Etsy. Mostly if you are creating templates and all of that, Etsy is the best place. So you come over here now, you basically have to scroll through and then look at their best selling at the moment, their trending products, and then you see if you actually fit in. You basically see any of them. So now, when you see every single thing, not every single thing that is trending at the moment that you have to create something that you know that you can actually pass value through. So you have to pick something of such as well. Now, the last thing here when it comes to actually picking the right product to sell is simply, if you are someone who wants to sell digital course, maybe you want to create a video course or ebook, a course in form of an ebook, meaning converting a video course into an ebook or something of such, then you can look at a platform like Udemy. You look at their top selling courses here, their top performing courses in recent time. So once you scroll through, you are going to see all of them being featured on the home page. Now, you basically also look at this and then you create something similar, because whatever thing that is featured on the home page at the moment, that's what people are actually more interested in at the moment. So you also look into it and then you get to do something similar and make sure that you set your price range to that area as well. Now, this all it boils down to choosing the right product. It's simply, first of all, make sure that your product is going to solve someone's problem. Secondly, if you have an hobby, you basically look within your hobby and look in a way and look through and see what exactly can you do within your hobby to create something that will actually solve someone's problem. Now, in this session, we are going to talk about actually creating digital product, because for you to be able to make money off selling digital products, I will not advise you go and download random product that people already create and resell. No, the best thing you can do is simply create your own product. And it's not really difficult to create product because you have AIs that can actually help you do everything. Now, I'm going to share with you some tools you can actually use to create this product for 100% free. And each of these tools will be given to people in separate feed, because the tool you are going to use to create your ebooks is different from the tool you are going to use to create your design template, and it's also different from the tool you are going to use to create your job resumes, and then different from the tool you're also going to use to create your online courses if you are someone who wants to create online courses. Now, talking of the first session, when it comes to creating ebooks, there are basically two tools that you actually need to do this. Number one is a tool like ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is actually you can actually ask ChatGPT to give you a full outline on the particular ebook you want to create. So let me say I want to create ebook on a step-by-step guide to making money with content creation. Now, all I basically have to do is that I'll come over to ChatGPT, give him the outline, and it's going to generate the full outline that I need for me. Now, after ChatGPT generates it, now I can ask ChatGPT to actually re-explain every single outline that it has generated, explain every single thing. Then all I will do is that I basically have to go down myself and then modify some information, edit where it's necessary, because AIs are not 100% accurate. So I have to do some editing and a lot of that. And boom, I've gotten my ebook, test every single thing ready. Now, how am I going to convert it to a digital product to sell? Now, that takes me over to the point number 2, whereby I can use a platform like Canva. Now, so let me just go over there to Canva. Now, canva.com is actually where you are going to convert this particular design, the outline that ChatGPT has given to you. You can then convert it to an ebook. So when you come over to Canva, all you basically have to do is simply search for ebook template. So now I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. So whilst you are waiting for Canva to turn up, let me just give you a little snippet on what exactly you should tell ChatGPT if you want to create an ebook. Now basically you come over to a new chat and then tell ChatGPT that I want to create an ebook on this topic. Now you basically put the topic into brackets. Now you type in whatever thing you want to type in here. So for example, if you want to create an ebook on health and fitness guide or something, you basically put it into bracket and then you hit on send. Now ChatGPT is going to give you the full outline. After it gives you the outline, then you tell ChatGPT that it should break down the outline and then and then you basically, once you break down the outline, it's going to explain every single subheading that it has given to you. Then you copy it into a Microsoft Word or Google Doc and then you go do your editing over there. Now in my next video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create a digital product such as an ebook, and then how you can also place it on your store for sale. But for now, make sure you watch this video to the very end to gain every single knowledge you need. Now after ChatGPT has done it, you need to create your book cover and everything. For that, you can basically come over to a platform like Canva and then just search for book cover. Now if I basically search for book cover, now Canva is going to give you so many different book covers that you can actually use. Now with this one, now you see that ChatGPT will give you your text, Canva will give you your book covers, and your ebook is basically ready. All you basically have to do is that you merge everything and then you go do the selling. Don't worry, you basically just comment that in this video description if you actually want, in the comment section, if you actually want me to do a full video on how I can actually create a full ebook with ChatGPT and Canva. You can let me know, then I'm going to do that in my next video. Now we'll move on to the next. For those of you who want to create design templates, now for those of you who want to create design templates and actually make money selling that, you can basically use something like Photoshop. So if you're a graphic designer, you can use platform like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. I have the Adobe Photoshop 2023, which is the one I use for my design project, and then Adobe Illustrator. So for example, if you are creating a Photoshop template, maybe a flyer or something, you can use Photoshop to create a template and then go sell it. But if you are someone who is not good with Photoshop and then you are just a newbie who just want to make money selling digital products, you don't have to use Photoshop to create it. You can basically come over to Canva and then just search for whatever sort of design that you want to create. Now Canva will give you a lot of templates. You take the template, you modify it, you download the particular file, and then you go put it on your store for sale. And when someone buys, the person basically have to do the editing, because you are going to put a link, a shareable link to it, so that once the person buys a product, is going to receive the link alongside, and then once they click the link, it takes them to Canva. Then they'll go and do their editing, all of that. Basically simple. And now the final one is simply for those of you who want to do who wants to sell a job resume template. Now for job resume template, you cannot use Canva, nor Photoshop, nor ChatGPT, but you can use ChatGPT to generate the outline for your job resume. But then when it comes to the overall work, you are going to use a platform like Microsoft Word, but not everyone uses Microsoft Word lately. So the best thing you can use is use Google Doc. So you can use Google Doc to actually create your job resume. So basically come over here and search for Google Doc. Google Doc, just search for Google Doc. And then you come over to ChatGPT. And then it's just saying, kindly help me generate a job resume template outline. Basically this simple. ChatGPT is going to generate, you can see ChatGPT is going to generate every single thing for you. Now all you basically have to do is that you copy this one, bring it over to your Google Docs, and then you do the editing, because ChatGPT is going to use some random examples. So you basically have to do the editing. Now when you are done, you just take it over to your online store, you put it out there for sale as well. Now if you want me to do a detailed video on any of this topic, as I already said, you just have to tag me down in the, you just have to drop a comment for me, and I'm going to do a full video on each of these products, how you can create each of these products and sell for money. Now the final one is simply, if you are coming to sell online courses, maybe video courses, now you can go faceless, or you can choose to show your face on camera. If you are going faceless, you can use a platform like Canva for your faceless videos. You basically have to type out the text and then do a lot of that. You can use Canva, or you can use PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, or any video editing to add there. You just have to record your voice over if you want to use your personal voice, which is very important. If you are creating online courses, it's very important to use your personal voice, even though it's faceless. You just have to go get a microphone to make sure that you are recording a very clear audio, and then you use Canva for your video editing. You don't have to show your face. You just use other materials as example, because Canva have every single free material you need for that. So that is basically how you can actually create your digital product. I'm giving you the tools and every single thing you need, and giving you a brief explanation. So as I already said, if you need me to make a video on any of this session, just let me know that in the comment section, and I'm surely going to record a full video on that particular topic. If you want to learn how you can make money selling ebooks, you let me know. If you want to learn how you can make money selling job resumes, you let me know. And if you want to learn how you can make money selling design templates or creating online courses, just let me know. I'm going to work a full video on that for you. Now let's move over to the final step, which is which platform exactly are you going to sell this product if you really want to make money. Because remember, we said you don't have to invest a dime, meaning that what we are looking for platforms that can help us promote this product on our behalf. Meaning we don't have to promote this product ourselves. We are looking for platforms that already have audience to promote this product. So let's get into that section. So guys, getting into the final stage, which is where you actually make money from every single thing that you've learned before. Remember that what first of all, I defined to you what exactly digital products are. Secondly, I shared with you some of the best digital products, the kind of digital product you can sell, and then how you can pick the right product. Thirdly, I've showed you exactly how you can actually create digital products, what you can use to create this digital product. Now we'll get to the final stage, which is exactly how you can make money from selling this digital product. Like, where exactly are you going to sell this product to make money without having to invest in order for you to generate sales? Now for that, there are so many platforms, and each of these platforms are dedicated to their own work. So for example, if you want to sell digital courses, let me say you want to create video courses and sell, one of the best platform to do that is simply a platform like Skillshare. So Skillshare is a platform whereby you can come and upload your digital courses, you can create your online course, everything, and then come and upload it here, and then people basically pay for it. Once you have the course recorded, you come and sell it, just post it on this platform for sale, and whenever people pay for it, like anyone who's interested pays for it, the platform is going to take their little commission, and then the rest come over to you. So when you are setting your pricing for it, they are going to show you how much you are going to deduct from it, so you know uphand that this is the amount they are going to take for that particular thing you are coming to sell on there. And then another platform to sell digital product online courses is basically Udemy. So Udemy is another platform where you can come sell digital courses. Now these two platforms that I'll give it to you for digital courses, Etsy and Udemy, these are already grown platforms that have audiences already, so you basically don't have to do any advert. Once you upload them on this platform, these platforms do the promotion themselves. That's why they are charging you for actually that's why they are charging you a commission for every single sale you generate, because they are going to bring you this client, they are going to host your online courses and everything. That's why they are taking their commission. Now for those of you who wants to sell things like ebook, online template, design templates, and the rest, Etsy becomes your best friend. Etsy is that platform, like, remember from the intro I said is the OG of selling digital product like design, painting, and all of those things. So if you come over to Etsy here, you can basically create your own store and then upload your product over here. And Etsy already have hundreds of thousands of users globally, which means that there's always a way in which you are going to generate sales on here, because it's like it's an online store, just like Amazon and the rest. So they already have their own audience, so you don't have to waste your strength trying to drive traffic to it. But then if you want to drive traffic to it, sure, you can drive to it and then still make sales. But the most important thing is that this platform already have its audience already, so you don't have to stress too much over that. Now the last platform is actually, let me get back. The last platform here is actually Gumroad. Now Gumroad is the platform where you can sell any sort of digital product, online job resumes, your design templates, let me say online courses, ebooks, everything. You can sell them on Gumroad for 100% free. All you basically have to do is click on start selling. Now once you click on start selling, it's actually going to take you over to the sign up page where you have to sign up, fill in your information. Then you can come over, you see there are so many ways in which you can actually sign up. Or you can just come over here, create your input your email, your password, everything, and then click on create account, and you are good to go. Now it's going to take you to where you are going to fill in your rest information, build up your profile, and a lot of that. So Gumroad is another great place for you to actually sell your product. However, Gumroad doesn't have much audience like the rest of the platforms. So if you are selling on a place like Gumroad, you have to generate your own traffic to actually help you get more engagement. But then they also have a little audience, but not really that much. That's why you can use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and then Etsy for some other product, and then still put the same product on Gumroad over here to sell for your own profit fully. So this is basically all I have for you in this video. This is basically every single thing you need to actually make money from here. So I'm going